It's been a pleasure to be part of the Sentiate Summit in its seventh year with 1,500 delegates and 30 international delegates. Sentient is not just about learning, it's an experience. It's about people with knowledge coming together, which I'm sure will create great impact in the healthcare space. I believe that this is a 3-day conference and it's a confluence of people with different abilities, different experiences that will create an experience for the future. Sentient is very different from the other medical conferences. And I would say that 50% of this is because of Sai's wife. She really gives it a dimension that conferences might miss. It's a human dimension. It's about curating the whole experience in terms of creating an environment where everyone enjoys not just the learning, but also enjoys the whole experience at Centennial. Fine dining, entertainment, and of course, a beautiful backdrop. I've seen Centennial really evolve over the past few years. What I believe was different this year is the ability for doctors to really look at live options and maybe be confrontational in finding out what is best for the patient. It is a very open debate. It's not just about I've done this and I'm the best in class. It's about proving through debate that this is the best. I think one reason is, of course, Sai takes a lot of trouble. So I have to give him that credit that he does. But second is just the opportunity to hear and meet cardiologists from not just India, but across the world to know what's happening and what's best in class. And also to see if they're pushing the frontier for the next decade.